Hey guys, this is Marlon from Impress Computers, and today we're going to take a look at the graduation options that we have today. On the right side we have an Acer Aspire. This little guy right here, you can use it for traveling, home use. You can flip it as well, use the touchpad if you want to. On the other side we have the first liquid cooled laptop. This guy right here can do the same, but you can take out the keyboard and plug it back in either way you like. This guy is the first liquid cooled laptop that we have. It's got a nice i7 processor, it's solid state, so it's pretty fast. We also have the big screen on the 15-inch. This has a solid state and a hard drive, so you can have storage and speed at the same time. You can use it as for a game as well. On the big side right here on the top, we got a gaming class. It's an MSI gaming laptop with a nice i7 processor. It's got an 8 gigs of RAM, running at the latest DDR4 and a 1050 Ti. On the other hand, you have the big screen as well, but this is more of a home use and a storage. It's got a terabyte on it. It's got an 8 gigs of RAM, so you can have multiple stuff open, and it's just gonna fly. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.